Hello people, so this is my 10th video of the day, and people, just like half a second ago, like when I looked at the time, uh, it was 12:34, which is, when you read it, it is 1 2 3 4. So these numbers that appear in sequence, like be it that's what this was, 12:34, but 1 2 3 4, and then there are numbers. Sometimes you look at the time and it is 11:11, or 1 a.m., like 1 1, like 11:11. So these numbers that appear like this, these are called angel numbers. So I mean, it's when you read up on it, no, angel numbers, Google it and check. Really, people, we are surrounded by these angelic beings and we don't realize it also. So apparently these numbers, be it anything, even 555 or the 444, 777, these are all these numbers that appear. You have angelic beings around you saying that you're on the right track. So amazing, right? So yeah, do check it out, angel numbers. And I just now saw angel number that which is in sequence, which means keep going. Wow, how cool is that? So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.